Hey everyone, here I have a decent 2010 Toyota RAV4. This is the basic model of the RAV4. By the way, I do want to mention we did put a brand new set of 4 tires on this vehicle. At the moment, the hubcaps that cover all that stuff are not on the vehicle. We do have a set of hubcaps for this vehicle. Now, coming around back, you will notice that this is a 4-wheel drive. It's in great shape. The trunk is enormous. You have tons of space back here for your cargo. Now, in the back seat, you will notice there is a little bit of staining, but I'm sure the previous owner did have children. This back seat has plenty of room. So you can recline those seats, fold them down, do what you need to do. Up front, you do have keyless entry in this RAV4. You do also have your power locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as manual seat height adjustment. The cloth is in decent shape up front. It's not really worn out at all. 145,000 miles. You do have your auxiliary as well as FM, AM. Right here, you will also notice you have your climate control. And down here is your power mirror control as well as your auxiliary port. I do want to mention that when you set an appointment with us, before you come in, we will be sanitizing the vehicle before you arrive. Give us a look at shockleyhonda.com or give us a call at 301-694-5400 for more information about this vehicle.